Country.
My Country.
102.3 My Country FM. WOTW Windermere, Orlando.
Mi gente de Orlando, ¿qué es lo que está pasando? Te habla el colombiano de la radio John G, aquí de la fiesta 98.5 en Long Island, New York. Queremos presentarnos. Somos parte del grupo radial WBC Broadcasting, un grupo de 14 emisoras, y hoy a la 1:03 de la tarde tú tendrás una nueva emisora. Para más información sobre nosotros, visita jbcbroadcasting.com. Esto es una pequeña muestra, como suena mi emisora aquí en Long Island. Disfrútala y prepárate para algo divertido hoy a la 1:03 de la tarde de parte de JVC Broadcasting. ¡Súbelo!
Orlando, what's going on, baby? Te habla el Rompe Discoteca DJ Fino directamente de los estudios de la Fiesta 98.5 desde Long Island, Nueva York, representando bien fuerte a los latinos. Escúchanos en vivo en lafiestali.com. También síguenos en nuestras redes sociales, Facebook, Instagram y Twitter La Fiesta 985, con lo mejor de la música tropical, así como esta. Aquí está Romeo Santos en La Fiesta.
Hola. Búscanos en La Fiesta 98.5 en Facebook, Twitter y en Instagram.
Que no te falte nada.
Mundial La Fiesta.
¿Qué tal, familia? It's your boy John G una vez más, y bueno, espero que estés disfrutando de nuestra emisora La Fiesta 98.5 desde Long Island, New York, parte de JVC Broadcasting. Gozadera total 24/7 en lafiestali.com. Y bueno, si un día de esto se encuentra por nuestros lados, espero que nos sintonice. Orlando, algo nuevo viene para ustedes. Prepárate, que ahí vamos.
Cuando no la llamo, siempre me hace reclamo.
WOTW Windermere, Orlando.
Hello, Orlando. This is Wolf Bowers, Program Director of 104.9 WOW FM in Gainesville, Florida. We'd like to introduce ourselves to you. We are very proud to be a part of JVC Broadcasting, a radio group of 14 stations. And this Friday, December the 19th at 1:03, you get a brand new radio station. For more about us, visit jvcbroadcasting.com. Here's a sample of what my radio station sounds like. Enjoy and get ready for some fun this Friday at 1:03 from JVC Broadcasting.
You won't find a bigger selection of music on the radio, playing all of your favorites from the artists you love. The new 104.9 WOW FM remembers this song.
104.9 WOW FM, Wolf Bowers here with the morning wake up. So my wife asked me to go one of those relaxation classes that she does. And so there's this whole meditation thing and mats. And they said, okay, now deep breath and release all the tension and everything that's bothering you. So I was like, needless to say, I don't have to go back again. Here's Eagles at Hotel California on WOW FM.
Come on, join the fun. In color to thrill you as never before.
Love it.
104.9 WOW FM.
WOW FM, JoJo here. You can find us online. Search Twitter, Facebook, 104.9 WOW FM, or hit the website to listen to us live in your workplace. 104.9wowfm.com.
104.9 WOW FM.
Oh, man, I'm telling you, we're sitting here jamming to you all day.
You have Gainesville's greatest hits on the new 104.9 WOW FM. WOW FM.
Gainesville's greatest hits at 104.9 WOW FM. Wolf Bowers and the morning wake up. Don't forget this afternoon, it's the legendary JoJo Cook and Kincaid and the World of Beer. Free ride at 5. Get you home just about right. Here's Billy Joel on WOW FM.
WOW FM.
WOTW Windermere, Orlando.
Now get the party started.
Hello, Orlando. This is Ben Burris, Program Director of Party 100.9 in Gainesville, Florida. We'd like to introduce ourselves to you. We are part of JVC Broadcasting, a radio group of 14 stations. And today at 12 noon, you get a brand new radio station. For more info about us, visit us, jvcbroadcasting.com. Here's a sample of what my radio station sounds like. Enjoy and get ready for some fun starting at noon today from JVC Broadcasting.
Wake up with Florida's Party and the Big Latino Mini Mix every weekday morning.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho, H to the O-V. I used to move snowflakes by the OC. I guess even back then you could call me CEO, the hottest chick in the game, man. My chain, that's right.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped turned up.
What's up, world? This is Usher.
I don't mind.
Usher, baby. Right here on your favorite station.
This is for the A.
Party 100.9.
Shawty, I don't mind money. You can take off your clothes, long as you coming home, girl. I don't mind.
Party 100.9.
What's up, y'all? I'm Beyonce.
Hi, this is Calvin Harris.
Hey guys, I'm Iggy Azalea.
On Party 100.9.
You're not working hard.
I'm just busy dancing.
Fresh new beats.
Nabila. Animals.
Party 100.9.
I'm the boss man, I'm the head of the I'm just busy dancing.
Party.
Yo, what's up? It's OP. I'm the new night show guy on Gainesville's Party Station 100.9. You can catch me Monday through Friday at 7 o'clock all the way to midnight, and it gets crazy up in here. We do the 411 at 811 plus commercial-free hour at 9, and we get loose with the parts head mix at 10. Don't forget, you can check us out online right now at floridasparty.com. Let's go!
No animals harmed during this broadcast. They just danced a little. The new Party 100.9.
WOTW Windermere, Orlando, a JVC broadcasting station. The biggest names in country have a new home.
We're Florida Georgia Line.
Hey, I'm Miranda Lambert.
I'm Jason Aldean, and I'm howling on the wolf.
Broadcasting live from the Wolf Den, Orlando's new home for country hits and throwbacks. We are 103.1 The Wolf. Ever met a wolf that can count to 10,000? Okay, we haven't either. But we're playing that many songs now on the new 103.1 The Wolf. Finally, a country station that's not afraid to play throwbacks.
Oh, we be getting down.
The new 103.1 The Wolf. The new 103.1 The Wolf. Camo is country.
It makes me feel like rocking out.
And so is the new 103.1 The Wolf. Welcome to our den. This is where you'll get 10,000 songs in a row. The new 103.1 The Wolf. For country music, Orlando, playing your country hits and throwbacks. The new 103.1 The Wolf. The new 103.1 The Wolf.
Hey, I'm Miranda Lambert.
What's up? This is Darius Rucker. Hey, this is Brad Paisley.
I'm Keith Urban. And I love my country station. Whoa. Yeah.
The new 103.1 The Wolf. The new 103.1 The Wolf, with a playlist longer than both coasts of Florida. Here's another throwback.
Set sail with Captain Morgan, and we will never leave dry land.
This is how country should feel. 10,000 songs in a row on Orlando's new home for country hits and throwbacks. The new 103.1 The Wolf.